East Haven, Connecticut, known for its pristine beaches, lush forests, and proximity to major cities throughout the Northeast, is also home to our Center for Innovation in Manufacturing and Design. Presenting Schneider Electric East Haven, a services facility that offers the latest modernization and custom electrical solutions. Here at East Haven, we know that every minute counts. To help you keep your facility up and running, we offer an array of cost-effective modernization solutions that prolong the life of your legacy electrical equipment with minimal downtime. The process starts with our team of trained engineers and custom fabricators who use state-of-the-art software and tools to update your pre-existing gear. We specialize in low and medium voltage switchgear retrofills and other equipment enhancements, including arc flash mitigation, motor control center upgrades, direct replacement circuit breakers, voltage pressure switch upgrades, and more. Plus, we can work with existing equipment from most major electrical manufacturers, saving you the hassle of working with multiple vendors and schedules. If you're looking to get even more from your electrical equipment, our technicians can connect your current gear to our future-ready smart software, EcoStruxure Asset Advisor. This proactive solution gives you real-time data and keeps you in the loop when it comes to potential risks and uncertainties. With modernization services by Schneider Electric, the sky's the limit. When off-the-shelf products won't work for your facility, you can count on our East Haven team to tailor a solution to your specific application. We work with you to design custom solutions for anything from bus ducts and wiring to match-inline switchgear. Above all, East Haven is here to ensure your power distribution equipment runs safely and efficiently. To that end, our trained team can support you in other areas, such as factory startup, service of existing equipment, and on-site engineering support. Whether you need to modernize your equipment, design a custom product, or you require in-person support, East Haven has the expertise and resources to make it happen.